We are at Coronado Springs today.
My favorite resort.
We are actually gonna do a room tour of the renovated rooms and check up on the construction because there is a lot going on and I'm so excited. This is probably my most excited Disney construction or refurb that's happening right now. I cannot wait till this is finished. But it's going along great and let's check this out.
Yep.
Let's go do it. We had to park all the way over here because they closed off the actual old parking spots in front of the check-in area, which is that building right there. Wow, I mean, this is moving very quickly. Look at the size of it. It's huge. We have discovered something horrifying.
Oh,
The donkey is gone.
he's gone. Conchito is gone.
He's gone. And half of the gift shop is closed. It's closed, it's gone. The whole back half. They got the scrim up and everything.
Oh my heavens.
Wow. Where are you from? Oh, you're going Pennsylvania, huh?
That's my home.
Oh, but Florida's our home now.
This is your home now, so get used to it.
Get used to it.
Okay.
Okay, so we do point this out every time we come here, but this is the reimagined resort. I mean, this is what it's going to be when it's finished in summer 2019. As you can see, that's the large building outside. Here is the middle of the sea restaurant. You can see in pink, that's going to be the lounge restaurant. That's the hotel. And it's going to be phenomenal. It's going to look amazing. We're going to go outside now and see the construction update of the restaurant that's going to be on the water. And I can see a longer walkway happening. So that's really cool because you're going to be able to get from this side to that side without having to walk all the way around. You can just cut right through. And that is definitely a bonus. Okay, we hopped inside real quick as the sun is really coming down. We're going to check up on some of the eateries that they have inside Coronado Springs here. Rick's Sports Lounge is now serving a full service menu. And then of course the quick service in here, which had a lot of construction recently, but now it looks like it's clearing up a lot. Wow, that's good news. And you can always see our friend Harmonica Joey in here too. I don't think he's here, I think he's at night. So they did close off half of the kitchen area here. This usually is wide open and it looks like they're renovating the middle part of it. I mean, makes sense. Might as well get it all done right now. But it is closed at the moment, so we can't go in and take a peek see. But you can see from here. And always sanitize. Thank you. So we went from the Pepper Market to one of the sit-down restaurants, and look at it in here. It is beautifully, beautifully themed. It's closed right now, so that's why it's so quiet. But it's setting up for dinner service, and we just kind of came in and took a sneak peek. So we are with our Aunt Bern and Cousin Morgan, and they're staying here. So that's how we're going to be able to check out one of the new renovated rooms, because they got one. And just look at this courtyard. Oh, it's unbelievable, stunning and beautiful. I would literally set this on a scale of like French Quarter beautiful, and you guys know how much I love the French Quarter and the scenery. So we made it up to the top of the resort, and it's got a beautiful view looking down at one of the pool areas, including the massage and salon area. And yeah, it's pretty stunning. Also, from this angle, you can see something peeking over the buildings, and it's something special. Ready for some zoom action? Can anyone guess what it is? Look at that.
Okay, so we just scanned our magic band, and this is the new refurbished rooms of Coronado. This is Morgan.
And we gotta say, this is a gorgeous, gorgeous room. Absolutely. Look at the curtains and the artwork on the wall. And I definitely appreciate this little setup here.
Look at the Keurig.
4K TV.
Do you want me to-
Ooh, a Keurig. A mini fridge. Look at that. Nice desktop. Plenty of drawer space.
Oh, there's drawers in the drawers.
And of course, the beds. This is a 2-bed. But look at the 3 cabaneros. The
And the
3
girlfriend,
cabaneros.
I don't know who she is.
Lots and lots of electric sockets.
And USB.
And USB ports.
They're really getting up there with the times.
But the bathroom takes the cake. And look at those pretty bathroom doors. Sliding doors. Oh, hello you. Oh, hi there, Mark.
Oh, hi, Mark.
Look at these sliding doors.
Didn't I just show you?
I love it. A nice makeup mirror. The sinks are very nice. Dual sinks. Good cabinetry. Cabinetry. I think I made up a word there. Plenty of lighting and lots of closet space too. Look at that. Oh, down below. I didn't even notice this. But the bathtub. Look at the shower head.
Yeah.
Wow. Don't do it. Were you gonna take a shower right now?
Also, the talked about thingy majiggy.
Oh yeah.
The reusable body washes.
Can't take those home.
Oh yes, you can if you're handy enough.
But yeah, this is unbelievable. These rooms are breathtaking.
This is the type brand of toilet paper they use here.
Scott. Great Scott.
Now I
And between the beds, they got a very nice smart safe. Look at that. Right on the nightstand. And to make up for the construction noises, they give you these awesome Coronado springs of the 3 cabaneros. Under construction, look at that. Please pardon our pixie dust. Also, a Mickey towel set. Yep, a Mickey towel set.
Really?
Look at these reading lights.
Turn off the lights.
Oh yeah.
They are so bright.
Yeah, they are.
I'm
Imagine.
turning on everything.
What?
Wow. Look at how
Look
bright
at that.
they are. And they move. More
That
than
is
you would
awesome. Oh! Party! Party!
think. Or like the Disco
Party!
Yeti.
Yeah, Disco Yeti. We are scrolling through the channels to try to find Stacy. Veronica.
I found Stacy. Well, I didn't find Stacy.
Become a member.
She's one of these. There she is. This is Stacy for sure.
Oh yeah.
Disney Photo Pass service is a great way to get awesome shots with
There's your BFF
There she
Stacy.
is. Stacy, I am after your job.
Yep. Must do Veronica.
And then those photos are
Well, that was the room tour. Very cool. I love the renovated rooms. All right, so that was a quick room tour. We didn't really go all out on the resort tour itself. Just know there's a lot of construction. We really were excited to show you the room. Thanks, Morgan, for having us over. It's his
Well,
room.
he hasn't really had a choice. This is my.
No.
Oh, what are you just
I was
forcing the
coming-
situation?
I was coming
Veronica's like, it doesn't matter. I'm coming over. So I hope you enjoyed and love the life you live.
Live the life you love.
And we'll see you next time.
Toodaloo.
Toodaloo.